start the aldehyde and ketone. Okay, and basic points is completed. Classification, their IUPAC naming system, structures of aldehyde ketone is completed. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt? Yes. What is the general formula of aldehyde? General formula of aldehyde? RCH. And ketone is an R C double bond O R. Okay? Called as a C double bond O group is called as a carbonyl group. And the compound called as a carbonyl compounds. Okay? So next one point is methods of preparation of aldehyde and ketones. Methods of preparation of aldehyde and ketones. So main important preparation methods is already done in alcohol. Oxidation of alcohol. By oxidation of alcohol we have to prepare the aldehyde, ketone and also acid. Clear? Primary alcohol is oxidized by using, for example, first one method by oxidation of alcohol, oxidation of an alcohol. What is the general formula of alcohol? ROH. Alcohol group. Alcohol is also called as a hydroxy. When they have a second priority, then called as a hydroxy group. Ketone is called as a oxo group also. Okay. Ketone is also called as an oxo group. So by oxidation of an alcohol, we prepare the aldehyde and ketone and also acid, carboxylic acid. So for example, first one, give me one example of an alcohol. CH. Name of the compound? Propanol. Ethanol. Okay. Ethanol. CH3 CH2OH. Ethanol. Is an primary, secondary or tertiary alcohol? Primary alcohol. Very good. Is an primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. So primary alcohol is oxidized. First one here we prepare the aldehyde group by oxidation of alcohol. Then primary alcohol is oxidized into aldehyde group by using which oxidizing agent? PCC. By using a mild oxidizing agent. Pyridium chlorochromate is a mild oxidizing agent. They converts into only alcohol is oxidized into a aldehyde group. So for example, to form here CH3 C double bond OH, alcohol group is oxidized into a aldehyde group by using a mild oxidizing agent PCC, pyridium chlorochromate. So the compound named as acetaldehyde. The common name is an acetaldehyde. And IUPAC name is an ethanol. There is 2 carbon. So carbon also count in the carbon chain. Carbon from the aldehyde group also count in carbon chain. So 2 carbon, that is ethanol. Second one example. Propan-2-oil. Propan-2-oil is primary, secondary or tertiary alcohol? Yes, secondary alcohol. So secondary alcohol is oxidized by using a oxidizing agent. Yes, which oxidizing agent? By using a chromic anhydride CrO3 or heated with copper at 573 Kelvin temperature. To form here, secondary alcohol is oxidized by using a oxidizing agent chromic anhydride or heated with copper at 573 Kelvin temperature. Secondary alcohol oxidized by using a chromic anhydride CrO3 or heated with copper at 573 Kelvin temperature. Then secondary alcohol is converted into a ketone group, CH3 C double bond O CH3, CH3 C double bond O CH3. Okay, the compound named as called as a acetone. Common name is an acetone, and IUPAC name is an propanone. Propanone. Clear? Any doubt? Primary alcohol is oxidized by using a PCC. Then it converts into aldehyde group. Secondary alcohol is oxidized into a ketone group by using a oxidizing agent CrO3 or heated with copper at a 573 Kelvin temperature. Okay, clear? Any doubt? तो ये ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट और उसके फंक्शन दिमाग में फिट बैठने चाहिए. कौन सा ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट, कौन सा रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट किधर यूज करना है, उसके फंक्शन क्या है. एक बार इसके ऊपर आपका होल्ड आ जाए सब ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एंड रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट के ऊपर, तो रिएक्शन हम ऐसे ही सॉल्व करें. ओके, इसके ऊपर क्वेश्चन रहेगा ही रहेगा, बिकॉज ऑफ दोनों चैप्टर में ये रिएक्शन है. आया समझ में? तो नींद में भी पूछा जाए. प्राइमरी अल्कोहल ऑक्सीडाइज बाय यूजिंग अ पीसीसी, देन ऑलवेज कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ aldehyde group. Secondary alcohol converted into a ketone group. Next one example. Yes, the compound named as cyclohexanol. Cyclohexanol is an a primary, secondary or tertiary? Is an a primary, secondary or tertiary? Secondary alcohol. Cyclohexanol is also secondary alcohol. So secondary alcohol is oxidized by using same here CrO3 or copper heated at 573 Kelvin temperature. Then to form, yes, to form cyclohexanone ketone group, alcohol is oxidized into a ketone group to form here cyclohexanone. Second one, method of preparation of aldehyde and ketone by hydrocarbon. Okay, this method is done in 11th standard by ozonolysis reaction. Addition of ozone into corresponding alkenes, hydrocarbons. This one done? Okay. So second one method, preparation of aldehyde and ketones by using hydrocarbon. In hydrocarbon we use here alkene. The reaction named as ozonolysis. Ozonolysis, that is addition of ozone, having a formula is an O3. Addition of ozone, O3. So for example, first one, ethene. What is the formula of ethene? Ethane, that is ENE. ENE means here double bond. ENE means double bond. Okay. Ethane. Ethane means 2 carbon. Draw first 2 carbon, ENE that is double bond, remaining hydrogen, CH2 that is C2, H4, called as a ethene. ENE means double bond, ethane means 2 carbon, so called as ethene. If reacts with ozone, that is ozonal acids, then add 3 oxygen atoms between 2 carbons, doubly bonded carbon atoms. Add a 3 oxygen atoms like this. This one is here CH2 group. CH2 group. Break this first bond, add a 1 oxygen atom like this. Then here again CH2. Remaining 2 oxygen to form the compound named as ozonoids, called as the ozonides. Okay, add a 3 oxygen atom between double bond. ओके, बॉन्ड को ब्रेक किया, इधर एक ऑक्सीजन ऐड किया, नीचे का बॉन्ड ब्रेक किया, 2 ऑक्सीजन ऐड किए टू फॉर्म अ ओजोनाइड्स O3. क्लियर? Clear?
Yes, sir.
And this one ozonides further reacts with, yes, zinc and water. Zinc and water. So zinc here acts as a reducing agent. So break this bond between oxygen like this, cross here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then to form here a double bond between this carbon and oxygen atom. And this oxygen separated reacts with Zn to form here zinc oxide. Formation of here zinc oxide and form a double bond between carbon and oxygen. So here to form, both groups are same on both sides. Okay, so twice CH2 that is H, C double bond OH, CH2 H, C double bond OH, the compound named as formaldehyde, and the IUPAC name is methanol. Compound named as formaldehyde, and the IUPAC name is methanol. Clear? Second one example, propene, ozonal acids of propene. What is the formula of propene? Propane, that is 3 carbon, 1 2 3 carbon, double bond, suppose here first 1 carbon, then CH2 CH3, propene, don't write, propene plus O3. Then add a 3 oxygen between these 2 carbon atoms, having a double bond between 2 carbon. Add a 3 oxygen. Okay, first one here there is a CH2 group, so CH2 as it is. Break this first double bond, add a 1 oxygen, then here CH group, here CH3 as it is. Then break this second double bond, add a 2 oxygen atom to form ozonides. Okay, and further reacts with zinc and water. Then cross here, break this bond to form here double bond. Okay, then to form in this side, on this side there is CH2 double bond O, that is H, C double bond OH, to form again here methanol or formaldehyde, and in this side CH3 C double bond OH, CH3 C double bond OH, and plus zinc oxide to form called as the methanol, formaldehyde, and here acetaldehyde. Means 2 different aldehyde is produced when ozonal acids of propene, methanol and acetaldehyde. formaldehyde and acetaldehyde. Any doubt? Write down question, solve this question. Ozonolysis of first one but 2-ene and second one 2-methyl propene. Third one yes, ozonolysis of but-2-ene. But-2-ene, but that is butane. Butane means 4 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2-ene means double bond here. Okay. Then remaining hydrogen 3, 1, 1 and 3 plus O3. Then to form, add a 3 oxygen between 2 carbon atoms, having a double bond between 2 carbon atoms. So CH3, then this CH as it is, break this double bond, add a 1 oxygen like this, here CH, this one CH3 as it is. Again break this bond, add a 2 oxygen atom. Okay. Then further reacts with zinc and water. Zinc and water. So break like this to form here double bond and also double bond here to form CH3C double bond OH and also CH3C double bond OH. कभी भी देखो प्रोडक्ट लिखते समय लेफ्ट हैंड का चेन लेफ्ट हैंड से स्टार्ट करने की, राइट हैंड की चेन राइट हैंड से स्टार्ट करने की, क्योंकि जो फंक्शनल ग्रुप फॉर्म होते हैं वो इधर डबल बॉन्ड के इधर आएंगे, तो फंक्शनल ग्रुप एंडिंग में हम जनरली लिखते हैं, तो इधर से ही चेन स्टार्ट करने की प्रोडक्ट लिखते समय. क्लियर? सो हियर CH3 टू फॉर्म CH3C डबल बॉन्ड OH. ऑन बोथ साइड देयर इज सेम groups, so to form 2 molecules of acetaldehyde and plus zinc oxide. Okay. Then next one is an 2-methyl propene. Propene 1, 2, 3 carbon, 2 methyl, CH3 and here double bond. Then CH2, CH3 plus O3. Add a 2 oxygen between 3 oxygen between 2 carbon. So CH2 here, then O, this C as it is, there is also CH3 and CH3, O, O. Clear? Any doubt? डबल बॉन्ड ब्रेक किया, एक ऑक्सीजन ऊपर 2 ऑक्सीजन नीचे, रिमेनिंग ऑल ग्रुप्स आर सेम. Clear? Yes. Then further reacts with zinc and water. Then cross this oxygen atom to form here double bond and also double bond here. Means on this side there is HC double bond OH formaldehyde plus CH3C double bond OCH3. Means to form here acetone and plus zinc oxide. Means 2 different products are formed here. One is an aldehyde and second one is an ketone. Yes. Then next one is an 2-methyl but-2-ene. 2-methyl but 1, 2, 3, 4. 2-methyl CH3 but 2-ene 3 1 3 plus O3, then to form here this CH3 CH3 as it is. Add a 3 oxygen between 2 carbon atoms, so O on this side there is CH and CH3 group, and here oxygen oxygen. Further reacts with zinc and water, then break this like this. Then also to form here on this side CH3 C double bond OH acetaldehyde, and here CH3 C double bond O CH3 acetone, means acetone. And plus acetaldehyde and plus zinc oxide. Zinc oxide. Clear? Write down first. Cyclohexene. Cyclohexene. So what is the structure of cyclohexene? Cyclohexane. Okay, and double bond. तो किधर भी डबल बॉन्ड दे सकते हो आप. इधर दिया डबल बॉन्ड प्लस O3, then to form add a 3 oxygen between this double bond.
Yes, sir.
To form here एक बॉन्ड ब्रेक किया, 2 ऑक्सीजन ऐड किए, दिस वन ए
Yes, sir.
सिंगल.
Okay.
Okay, and then further reacts with zinc and water. Zinc and water, then to form break this, then to form here
Sir, double bond.
on this side there is double bond and this one side double bond, means here start from double bond C double bond OH, C double bond OH, then here 1 2 3 4 carbon CH2 4 times, and last one also there is C double bond OH plus zinc oxide,
1,
plus zinc oxide.
sir, hexa 1,6.
The compound name is
Hexa 1,6.
diol.
Diol.
Yes, हो गया.
Yes, sir.
The next one method, third one method is an hydration of alkynes. By hydration of alkynes, this one is also, this method is done in 11th standard, also called as oxymercuration, hydration of alcohol. Third one method, preparation of aldehyde or ketone by hydration of alkynes. Hydration of alkynes. Alkynes, that is, alkynes means triple bond, carbon carbon triple bond. Alkyne means carbon carbon triple bond. So for example, if alkyne, for example ethyne, CH triple bond CH, ethyne, the compound common named as acetylene. Common name is an acetylene, and IUPAC name is an ethyne. IUPAC name ethyne. YNE, that is triple bond. Okay, and common name is an acetylene. So reacts with water molecule, water, that is H plus OH minus. Acetylene or ethyne reacts with water, H plus OH minus, in presence of 40% sulfuric acid H2SO4 and 1% mercurous sulfate HgSO4. 40% sulfuric acid and 1% HgSO4, mercurous sulfate. Then OH minus. OH minus attack on this carbon atom. This bond shift towards this CH group, carry negative charge. They attack on this hydrogen to form here CH2. Then double bond here CH and attach the OH group. Clear? Clear? Any doubt? Very good. Then next one. Further, this one compound, intermediate, undergo tautomerism. Second step is an tautomerism. Tautomerism is an types of isomer. In this type, we change the position of only hydrogen atom. So here, the bond between oxygen and hydrogen shift towards this between carbon and oxygen to form here a double bond. Okay, double bond here form, then this bond shift towards CH2, carry negative, and they attach of this hydrogen to form here CH3 C double bond OH to form an acetaldehyde. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Very good. Then second one example.
Yes, sir.
Propene. CH3 CH double bond CH2. Propene.
Sir, propine है वाला ना आपका?
Sorry. Propine. Triple bond. CH3 C triple bond CH. Propine.
Yes, sir.
Reacts with water.
H plus OH minus.
H plus OH minus. In presence of 40% H2SO4 and 1% HgSO4. HgSO4. Then OH minus, according to Markovnikov rule,
Yes, sir.
the OH minus attached to this carbon having a less number of hydrogen atom. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then if OH attack on this carbon, this bond shift towards CH, carry negative charge, they attack on this hydrogen. Means to form here
CH3.
CH3, this CH, CH3 COH,
and CH2.
double bond CH2. And further tautomerism. This bond shift towards here, formation of here carbon and oxygen double bond,
Bond shift from
CH2 and hydrogen.
CH3 C double bond O.
CH3 C double bond O CH3 to form here acetone. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt? Very good. Write down.